Next we see the conversion of time. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 month equal to 30 or 31 days. 1 month equal to 30 or 31 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Or you mention in H, minutes you measure in MIN. It is enough. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Next we do the sums. First sum, convert into months. 20 years equal to dash months. 1 year equal to how many months? Yes, 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. 20 years equal to 20 into 12 months. Multiply 20 into 12. 2 0 0. 2 2s are 4. Next 1 0 0. 1 2 is 2. Now you add 0. 4 plus 0 4 2. The answer is 240. Therefore 20 years equal to 240 months. I say again children, what is the sum? Convert into months. 20 years equal to dash months. 1 year equal to 12 months. 20 years equal to 20 into 12 months. To multiply 20 into 12, we get the answer 240. Therefore, 20 years equal to 240 months. Next, convert into days. First sum, 7 years equal to dash days. 1 year equal to how many days? Yes, 365 days. Now you do the 7 years equal to 7 into 365 days. 365 into 7. 7 5s are 35. You write 5 only in one's place. 3 is carrying over in tens place. 7 6 are 42. You add plus 3. 42 plus 3 45. 5 only write in tens place. 4 is carrying over in hundreds place. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. What is the answer? 2555 days. Therefore 7 years equal to 2555 days. Is it clear children? See the next sum. 6 months equal to dash days. 1 month equal to 30 days. 30 or 31 days, but we do the sum 30 days only. 6 months equal to 6 into 30 days. Multiply 30 into 6. 6 0 0. 6 3s are 18. We get the answer is 180 days. 180 days. Therefore, 6 months equal to 180 days. Is it clear, children? Okay, see the next sum. 1 week equal to 7 days. What is the sum? Given sum 3 weeks equal to dash days. First you write 1 week equal to 7 days. 3 weeks equal to 3 into 7 days. 3 sevens are 21 days. 3 weeks equal to 21 days. Is it clear, children? Next, convert into hours. First sum 4 days, 18 hours equal to dash hours. First you write 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. What is the given sum? 4 days, 18 hours. 4 days, 4 into 24 hours plus 18 hours. Now you multiply 4 into 24. 24, 4. You multiply 4 4s are 16. You write 6 only in 1's place. 1 is carrying over in 10's place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. You get the answer is 96. 4 into 24, we get the answer 96 hours plus 18 hours. Now you add. In column wise, you add difficulty, you write 1 by 1. 96, 18. 6 plus 8, 14. You write 4 only in 1's place. 1 is carrying over in 10's place. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. You get the answer 114. Therefore, we get the answer 4 days, 18 hours. We get the answer 114 hours. I say again, children. What is the given sum? 4 days, 18 hours equal to dash hours. First you write 1 day equal to 24 hours. What is the given sum? 4 days, 18 hours. 4 into 24 hours plus 18 hours. 4 into 24, we get the answer 96. 96 hours plus 18 hours. You write 1 by 1 and add. It is easy to add this sum. 6 plus 8, 14, 4. Carry over 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. We get the answer 114 hours. Is it clear, children? See the next sum. Convert into minutes. What is the sum? Given sum 5 hours equal to dash minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 5 hours equal to 5 into 60 minutes. You multiply 6 0, 0, 5, 6 are 30. We get the answer 300. Therefore, 5 hours equal to 300 minutes. Is it clear, children? Okay. See the next sum. Convert into seconds. What is the given sum? 3 minutes 25 seconds equal to 20 dash seconds. 3 minutes 25 seconds equal to dash seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 3 minutes 25 seconds equal to 3 into 60 seconds plus 25 seconds. 60 multiplied by 3. 3 0 0, 3 6 are 18. We get the answer 180. 180 seconds plus 25 seconds. Write 1 by 1 and add 180, 25. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 only you write in one's place. 1 is carrying over in 10, 100 space. 1 plus 1, 2. We get the answer 205. Therefore, 3 minutes 25 seconds. We get the answer is 205 seconds. Is it clear, children?